So now guys, this is going to be our movement for the day on our CAD JPY. So this is what CAD JPY will most likely give us for the day. Starting with the trend on our daily time frame, market is literally in an uptrend. This is the main trend, the overall trend. You can see it right. The overall movement on CAD JPY, we are in an uptrend move. CAD JPY is very much bullish. Now let's zoom it in a bit. You can see the markets pushed up a little bit, then pull back to give us an higher low. Then it was able to push up to form a new higher high. This is the pullback that formed an higher low. This is also the push up that formed a new higher high. Here is the pullback that formed an higher low, right? Now this is also the pullback push up that formed a new higher high, right? That took out this previous high. Now this is a pullback that formed an higher low. So with this pullback that has formed an higher low, we should expect market to continue that bullish move, which is currently doing that, right? Market is giving us a bullish move. So we should expect the bullish move to continue till it is able to take out this high, thereby giving us a new higher high. So what we're trying to say is that a bullish move for the day, right, is what we should be expecting on our Swiss franc and CAD JPY. So a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on CAD JPY. So above all, if you take a look at this also, market is just giving us a choppy movement. Have it in mind that this is just building up. And I know a lot of traders will probably be stacking in on the sell. This choppy movement is in liquidity that is playing out. It is just building up. It is just a matter of time. Markets will push up, thereby taking out all of your stop loss, all of you, especially that's currently running in for the sell. You will not know, but it will eventually push up to actually take out your sell in your stop loss, and it will continue that movement to the upside. So what you are trying to say is that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our CAD If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I did the update and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Make your comments and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.